Just when Bitcoin hit a new all-time high this week of $126,000, it got rejected. Bitcoin and the entire crypto market got rocked this week, with Bitcoin plunging from over $120,000 to under that $110,000 price point we were hoping would give us some support. And it even wicked all the way down to $103,000. If Bitcoin closes out this week below this $104,000 price point, according to the Moneyline Indicator tool, it will flip into a bearish trend. And right now, the majority of the crypto market flipped into a bearish trend on the daily time frame. Note that the daily time frame is less accurate than the weekly time frame for when deciding to buy or sell over a longer time frame. Yes, we are seeing minus 10%, 20%, some minus over 40% drops in the last couple of days. Is this an amazing buy the dip opportunity before the final leg of the bull run takes off? Or is this the end? What the heck is going on? And what do we need to be prepared for going forward to make our portfolios crash proof? Hello, I'm Crypto Casey and welcome to another episode of Crypto This Week. Let's take a look at what's moving the markets and different strategies we can implement to protect our portfolios and make some money. Let's hit it. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, Tangent Wallet, GoBabyTrade, and Uphold. Completely own and control and protect your digital assets with Tangent Wallet. It's a must-have wallet for everyone invested in the crypto space, beginners and experts alike. It's extremely affordable, super easy to use, only takes like 90 seconds to set up, and we can literally do everything in the crypto world with it. Buy, sell, swap, stake, use DeFi, all with the simple tap of a card to our phone. GoBabyTrade, the AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader, is generating a lot of easy passive profits. It's a volatility vampire sucking up all the gains the crazy crypto market has to offer. Because so long as the prices go up and down, it prints money. And what's great is the chop never stops. It's a set it forget it investment product, literally compounding on the chaos. Doesn't matter if prices rise or dive, we thrive. See it in action in this video and join our free weekly webinar to learn more. And secure your wealth with Uphold, the trusted money and crypto management platform that actually holds our crypto and cash 100% reserved. It's connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, so we get the best prices for crypto on the market with a lot more liquidity for trading. And when we trade $100, we get $20 free. So scroll down and use the links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. A lot of people who manually trade cryptocurrencies themselves lost a lot of money over the past few days, either from not having a stop loss order in place on an exchange to automatically sell their crypto if it drops below a certain price. Or some people that did have stop losses in place, they got blown through due to having too much leverage at play and exchanges not having enough liquidity to fill orders. Or some people lost money by deciding to sell their crypto after the dump, securing their loss. So for any of us who lost money, listen up. As difficult as it may seem, do not try to react, likely overreact from an emotional standpoint, and try to make the money back. The vast majority of the time, that leads to getting ultra wrecked. Instead, especially if we are newer to the crypto market price action, let's stay calm, collect ourselves, let the market calm down and collect itself, and treat this crash as a learning opportunity. Yes, the charts aren't great. However, we must always remember to zoom out, get some perspective, and know if we are here now, we are still early. And it's not like we're going to miss Bitcoin's pump to over 200K, 300, 500K, over $1 million per Bitcoin. Sideways price action, pumps, dumps, all of it is part of a long cyclical process that has been playing out since Bitcoin first hit the scene over 15 years ago now. All of this is normal, as shocking as it may seem and feel, especially if you just got into the market and lost a lot of money. As we always discuss on the channel, the crypto market is a casino. We are speculating on new speculative assets, over 99% of which do not do anything, provide zero value to the world, do not represent entities creating products and services and generating income. Most of them are literally useless. And if we weren't aware of that, now we know, and we need to start operating off of that cold hard truth. Another cold hard truth is this casino is heavily manipulated. Big smart money, professional traders, large institutional players, Wall Street orchestrates market pumps as well as market dumps. They are buying up all of the carnage from leverage positions that got liquidated, as well as all the crypto from anyone who panic sold to get out of the market. So let's focus on the positives, like getting the chance to gain experience and knowledge that will help increase our chances of making gains in this market. And that this pretty quick sharp drop probably shook out everyone who was considering selling anyways, removing a lot of sell pressure that would keep the market cascading slowly or possibly startlingly downwards. And not to mention getting the chance to start laddering into positions at decent price points. Because what's more likely than not on the horizon is a consolidation period. Because unlike the last bull cycle after a drop similar to this when COVID hit the scene, interest rates are not non-existent. The money printer hasn't fully unleashed yet. and we are definitely in the midst of some super uncertain geopolitical times. So going forward, if a major part of our crypto strategy is manually trading, where we are on exchanges deciding which crypto to buy, hoping it's a good price point, and then waiting to see what happens, we need to understand a few things. This trying to buy low and trying to sell high to someone else later is what most retail investors do in crypto, and over 90% of them lose a lot of money, if not most or all of it. After understanding that, if we decide to continue to use that strategy in the crypto casino to mitigate risk, do not leverage trade, never use leverage, and always set stop losses so you don't end up losing a ton of money really fast. Personally, manually trading short-term is not part of my overall crypto strategy, never has been. My crypto profit strategy consists of 4 main plays. One part of my strategy is to buy and hold altcoins throughout the bear market for about 3 years into the start of the bull market, and then once it takes off, I start selling all of my altcoins until the bull cycle ends. To help me decide what altcoin to buy, when to start buying it, and when to start selling it, I use the Moneyline Indicator tool, which we can get for a huge discount using the link below, and learn all about how it works by clicking on the link on the screen. The second part of my strategy since the beginning of 2024 is using AI to automatically short-term trade for me to make passive income from crypto prices constantly going up and down with GoBabyTrade, the AI-enhanced robotic trader. As prices fluctuate, it accumulates gains. While others sweat it, we set and forget it. We can learn all about how it works in this video guide, and we can get a $1,000 discount for a 3 years license using the link below. The third part of my crypto strategy is constantly buying and holding Bitcoin over time to never sell. Just at the beginning of this year, in 2025, I also started using GoBabyTrade to buy Bitcoin because we can disable the sell function so the trader just buys any crypto we want at the best possible prices. It's the best way to DCA or dollar cost average into long-term positions. Some of you guys have been using it to DCA into XRP, which is cool. You can check out how the DCA function for GoBabyTrade works in this video guide by clicking the link above. Anyone can join us every Wednesday on our free weekly webinar to see the trader in action and answer any and all questions we may have to understand how it works. And the fourth part of my crypto strategy is earning income by working in the crypto industry. So one of the most important things we can take away from this dump is that there are more opportunities to make gains in crypto than trying to blindly buy low and trying to blindly sell high. Because again, this market is heavily manipulated. There are big players with enough money to move markets who operate off of insider knowledge and capitalize off of our emotional decisions. Instead of reacting to headlines and price action, we simply need to follow the trend. The Moneyline helps with that. We need to diversify how we invest in crypto with different strategies, tactics, products, and services. And we need to make sure we are paying close attention to what's going on in the markets and around the world, because there are a few different scenarios that could play out throughout the rest of this year and into late 2026. We could have just seen the market peak out and fall into a multi-year bear market as usual. This is probably the least likely scenario from a probability standpoint and based on the current trend. Or we could have seen the market stall out for the time being, maybe experience a sideways short bearish stint from now until May 2026, when current Fed Chair Jerome Powell is replaced by someone Trump can control. This would cause interest rates to fall and the money printer to explode, kicking off a bull run, the likes of which we've never seen in the crypto space. Or we could have just had a correction, and we'll consolidate for a few weeks before the bull market rages on towards the end of the month through November and maybe December, either peaking out around then or charging through the beginning of 2026 before ending. Or maybe it extends through mid to late 2026. Again, factoring in a new Fed chair in May 2026. Either way, regardless of what part of the market cycle we are in and regardless of which scenario plays out, we can protect our portfolios and increase our chances of making money in crypto by following the trends, not reacting to our emotions. We can leverage AI to make money for us as crypto prices go up and down all around. We can accumulate Bitcoin over time for the long term. I mean, just over the past 12 months, Bitcoin is up over 76%. And we can try to make money by earning income in the crypto industry in some capacity. Or at the very least, we need to focus on ways we can increase our income and income streams so we have as much capital as possible to invest for our futures. Another important step we all need to take as crypto investors is by adopting the next generation of finance that will replace the corrupt, inefficient traditional banking system by signing up for a free account with Uphold. It's an amazing on-chain wealth management platform we can use to buy and sell crypto that is better than traditional centralized exchanges because it is connected to over 30 underlying exchanges, allowing us to buy crypto at the best possible prices on the market. It gives us a lot more liquidity when trading, and when we trade our first $100, we get $20 free. Unlike other exchanges, it actually keeps our crypto backed 1-to-1. It doesn't lend it out or anything. And Uphold also keeps our cash 100% backed 1-to-1, where we can get 4.5% APY and a $2.5 million FDIC insured US dollar savings account. Sign up only takes like 60 seconds, so be sure to scroll down and use the link below to start getting into altcoin positions now before altcoin season more than likely takes off. Awesome. If you would like to learn how we can use AI to make passive profits in crypto from the constant up and down price action with Go Baby Trade, check out this video. If you would like to learn how the next generation of banking with Uphold is a way better and safer option for storing our money and managing our crypto than banks and exchanges, check out this video. And to sign up for a free Uphold account, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.